So here's a quick reminder to help you simplify complex fractions. What we want when we're going to simplify complex fractions, Billy, is we want A over B over C over D. And then what are we going to do with the C over D? Exactly. Some of you are even rolling your hands over to show that. That's exactly what we're going to do. Is we're going to bring this thing up as its reciprocal, because we know that this piece right here in yellow is the equivalent of A over B times D over C. And you can prove that with any fractions, right? If you know that something is true. If you're looking for 1/2 over 1/2, we know that 1/2 over 1/2 is 1, isn't it? If you bring this up and multiply it as 2 over 1 times 1/2, you're going to get that 1, aren't you? And I challenge you to do that with any fraction that you believe is true. So what we have to do here is do what, Joel? Yeah, that's exactly right. Going to clean up the numerator first, and then clean up the denominator second. So we're going to multiply the 2 over x by, sure, y over y, right? And we know y over y is just 1, and 1 times any number is the multiplicative identity, changes nothing, right? And then, Catherine, multiply this by x over x. Good job, honey. Holy macaroni and cheese. He's playing with my emotions. So I'm just going to bring my work over here. William, we're going to have this one. 2y over the xy, yeah? And this negative sign is this one. Easy. Jesus Tan got all. My name is not Jesus. Okay, I apologize. Let's clean up the denominator now, please. Gonna multiply this one by what? Jesus? Y squared over the y squared, yeah? This seems simple enough to me. And then we're going to do what? We don't know, but we have ways of making you talk.
X squared over x squared?
X squared over x squared? Do not make me sing the friendship song.
What friends?
What friends? You are no friends of mine. 7y squared minus 2x squared. I wish there was some reason to say 9, but there is none. X squared, y squared, that's the bottom. Yeah. How come no one watches our videos? Because you suck. Well, yeah, anyway. Meanwhile, back at this problem, we're going to do what with the... Now, we have this in that AB over CD form, don't we? And now we're going to do this... Yeah, this is true. We're going to switch in this one on seinen upside down. Lindelof, are you really German? No! 9, I am not. Very upset viewers. I have no viewers. No one listens to me. You know this. You are my student. You know I am widely ignored by all people. Wow, Josh. I'm glad they can't hear you. More fortunate for them, they can't see Josh. I accept it. I'm a good-looking man, except for my aesthetic challenges. Other than being horribly ugly, I'm a good-looking man. Hold on. Oh, my God. Look, I'm screwing around, and I almost wrote this thing wrong. Ghetto? You get all. Sorry, I thought you said something totally different. I know you're from the mean streets. So now what? Minus 1,000. Do you want to cross multiply? Let's cross cancel instead. Yeah, it's a great idea. So we have here, this goes to just, we have this goes to just y. Y because we like you a lot. Sorry. So now what do we have to do with this? Meine Freundins. Multiply. So we have 2xy what? Squared minus 5x squared y all over 7y squared minus 2x squared. Can we factor out the squares at the bottom? No. Exponents are not distributive over addition, right? I see your point. But if we did that, wouldn't we just get back to here? I get your point. It's not a ridiculous point, but because we're showing how to get this to this point, I'm not going to factor anything out. Okay? I don't know what just happened, but it was bad. This one's never going to make it to YouTube. Okay? If you're still watching, thanks for watching. And if you haven't subscribed, please do. These are desperate times. I'm serious. Get me out of here.